Join me on a thrilling journey through the vast expanse of the internet as I unveil the absolute best gadgets and devices that'll redefine your tech game. The Mini Green and Speedy Clothes Dryer combines convenience with sustainability. Its small size and rapid drying capabilities make it perfect for any home. Experience the power of quick drying with the Mini Green and Speedy Clothes Dryer. Whether you're in a rush or aiming for energy efficiency, it gets the job done. Say goodbye to bulky drying machines and hello to space-saving design with the Mini Green and Speedy Clothes Dryer. It's the eco-conscious choice for your laundry needs. Upgrade your laundry routine with the Mini Green and Speedy Clothes Dryer. It's not just a dryer, it's your eco-friendly companion in laundry care. Get yours today. The 3-in-1 Outdoor Mosquito Repeller Lantern combines illumination with mosquito-repelling technology. It's designed to keep pesky bugs at bay while lighting up your outdoor space. Experience the freedom to enjoy outdoor evenings without the nuisance of mosquitoes. With its effective repelling mechanism and adjustable brightness, it sets the perfect ambiance. Say goodbye to chemical sprays and uncomfortable bug bites with the 3-in-1 Outdoor Mosquito Repeller Lantern. Its portable design and long-lasting battery make it a must-have for camping, hiking, and backyard gatherings. Light up your outdoor adventures and keep mosquitoes away with the 3-in-1 Outdoor Mosquito Repeller Lantern. It's not just a lantern, it's your ticket to bug-free evenings under the stars. Get yours today. The all-in-one modular home gym offers versatility and convenience for your fitness routine. With its modular design, it's like having a full gym at your fingertips. Experience the freedom to work out anytime with the all-in-one modular home gym. Whether you're into strength training, cardio, or flexibility, it has everything you need. Say goodbye to expensive gym memberships and hello to convenience with the all-in-one modular home gym. Its compact design and customizable features fit your fitness goals perfectly. Elevate your home workouts with the all-in-one modular home gym. It's not just a gym, it's your personal fitness sanctuary. Get yours today. The Chef Doodler Sugar Pen is a baker's best friend. With its precise tip and vibrant colors, you can add intricate designs to cakes, cookies, and more. Experience the joy of decorating with the Chef Doodler Sugar Pen. Whether you're a professional baker or a home enthusiast, it brings creativity to your kitchen. Say goodbye to messy piping bags and hello to precision with the Chef Doodler Sugar Pen. Its easy-to-use design makes decorating desserts a breeze. Unlock your creativity with the Chef Doodler Sugar Pen. It's not just a pen, it's your ticket to making beautiful, edible masterpieces. Get yours today. The Bamboo Smart Guitar combines traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. Its sleek design and smart features make it a must-have for musicians. Experience the power of creativity with the Bamboo Smart Guitar. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician, its intuitive design makes learning and playing effortless. Say goodbye to bulky amplifiers and hello to portability with the Bamboo Smart Guitar. Its built-in speakers and connectivity options let you jam anytime, anywhere. Elevate your musical journey with the Bamboo Smart Guitar. It's not just a guitar, it's your companion in creativity. Get yours today. The Micro-Butt Mighty Bicycle Phone Mount offers strength and stability in a small package. Its sleek design and durable construction make it the perfect companion for your cycling adventures. Experience hands-free navigation and accessibility with the Micro-Butt Mighty Bicycle Phone Mount. Whether you're commuting or hitting the trails, it keeps your phone safe and accessible. Say goodbye to bulky mounts and hello to simplicity with the Micro-Butt Mighty Bicycle Phone Mount. Its easy installation and adjustable grip ensure a snug fit for any smartphone. Gear up for your next ride with the Micro-Butt Mighty Bicycle Phone Mount. It's not just a mount, it's your reliable companion on the road. Get yours today. Cirrus number 3 combines the power of an iron and a steamer in one sleek design. Its innovative technology ensures your clothes look impeccable without the hassle of traditional ironing. Experience the convenience of wrinkle-free clothes with Cirrus number 3. Its powerful steam and precision heating make quick work of even the toughest wrinkles, leaving your garments looking fresh and smooth. Say goodbye to bulky ironing boards and hello to the simplicity of Cirrus number 3. Its compact size and versatile functionality make it a must-have for busy lifestyles. Elevate your garment care routine with Steamery Cirrus number 3 Iron and Steamer. It's not just an appliance, it's your secret weapon for effortlessly maintaining a polished look. Experience the magic of Cirrus number 3 today. The CrowView Dual Monitor is your ultimate productivity companion. With its portable and ultralight design, you can set up your workspace anywhere you go. Experience the power of dual screens with CrowView. Whether you're working from a coffee shop or traveling for business, it provides the flexibility you need to stay productive. Say goodbye to limited screen space and hello to efficiency with CrowView. Its crisp display and easy setup make it perfect for professionals on the move. Elevate your workspace with CrowView 14, portable ultralight dual monitor. It's not just a monitor. It's your key to productivity, anytime, anywhere. Get yours today. GrillKilt redefines grilling convenience with its smart design and ample storage. Keep all your essentials close at hand while grilling up your favorite dishes. Watch as GrillKilt keeps you organized and efficient while grilling. Its multiple pockets and tool belt ensure you have everything you need within reach. Say goodbye to juggling utensils and towels, and hello to the simplicity of GrillKilt. Its durable construction and thoughtful design make it a must-have for every grill master. Elevate your grilling experience with GrillKilt Organizational Grilling Apron. It's not just an apron, it's your secret weapon for mastering the grill. Experience the convenience of GrillKilt today. The electric nail clipper offers precision and ease for nail care. Its ergonomic design and motorized trimming action make nail grooming effortless. Experience smooth and uniform nail cutting with the electric nail clipper. Whether you're shaping your fingernails or toenails, it delivers professional results at home. Say goodbye to manual clippers and hello to efficiency with the electric nail clipper. Its rechargeable battery and multiple attachments cater to all your grooming needs. Upgrade your nail grooming routine with the electric nail clipper. It's not just a clipper, it's your ticket to well-groomed nails without the hassle. Get yours today.